CPU-95 communication problem. TX light blimping off. Sometime RX blimping alarm light on. Problem solved. We have checked this. We have changed this IC number 485. Then solve RX and TX blimping. TX sometime off and sometime on. It's good position. We have connection and check all over. This ignition module CPU-95 is ready. Use 12V DC output power supply in 240 AC volt and connection module display 24V DC input and serial number 485 or 485 plus minus RS is ignition module connection 7 and 8 RS 485 plus RS 485 minus and power supply plus minus. We have changed this IC. RX-TX continue blimping. Thank you for my video.